Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PHUN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Before we talk about kind of the interesting level going into Friday, as far as today's price movement was concerned, now I'm not saying this towards the company. I don't know anything about the company. I'm saying it based on how the prices acted. So from a price action perspective, today was a total pump and dump. There's really no other way you can look at it. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that the price made a huge move to the upside, and then literally within the same day, the price has essentially gone back to where it started. You know, if that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. But that also leads to the interesting dynamic going into Friday, and that is that the price is approaching these lows right here, where the price did actually bottom out last time right around $3.50. And, you know, $3.50 the price hit here, and then a very nice move happened. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy, just because the last time the price was at $3.50, and a big move happened does not mean that if the price hits $3.50, it's for sure going back above $5. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that from a historical perspective and looking at the past track record, $3.50 has shown enough buying pressure where the price stopped going down. So if the price goes down to $3.50, you know, it would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially go sideways and then start to work its way back upwards. Now, again, no such thing as a guarantee, and this is why risk management and risk control is always so important. But at least it's logical. Whereas if I was just throwing $3.50 out there and then you look back and say, "Wow, where's $3.50 coming from?" It's never once bounced from that area before. Then yeah, in that situation, you would be justified in saying that doesn't make any sense. Where's the logic? But here we have a track record here of it happening. So again, does it make it guaranteed? No. Is it rational? Is it a logical thought to have? Yeah, absolutely. And that's what's making this as a very interesting trade setup going into Friday is, you know, from a risk versus reward perspective, very minimal risk, assuming you can honor stop losses. But if you get some sort of bounce, then there could be some nice potential upside. So we'll see how this one plays out. But yeah, as far as today's price action was concerned, total pump and dump, but we'll see if the bulls have any more gas left in the tank. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.